Hello, good morning everyone. How are you? I hope you all are fit and fine. Welcome you all in today's class. Today we will continue with the next chapter, real numbers, rational and irrational number. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल रियल नंबर चैप्टर 2 स्टार्ट करने से पहले आप लोग अपनी बुक्स और नोटबुक ओपन कर लें। आपको एक्सरसाइज कंप्लीट करनी है, उससे पहले जो भी यहाँ पे ट्राई दिस और थिंक एंड डिस्कस और जो भी इस चैप्टर्स में कुछ कुछ एक्सरसाइज दिए गए हैं उसे कंप्लीट कर रहे हैं। तो नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू राइट द डेफिनेशन अबाउट द नंबर सिस्टम, नेचुरल नंबर, होल नंबर, इंटीजर्स, इरेशनल नंबर। यू हैव टू नोट डाउन इन योर नोटबुक with definition, with examples. Try this, you have to complete in your book, in your copy. Write those numbers which you have in Q but not in N. So here numbers line is given and you have to represent here. This is a symbol of number system. N means natural number, Z means integers, W means whole number, Q means irrational number. Try this, you have to complete in your notebook. Next, you have to represent the number line, natural number. This is a natural number of the number line of integers, number line of irrational number. Number line of rational number. And next we will discuss about the number line of irrational number. वो आगे हम लोग देखेंगे. Now you have to complete that. Try this. How many integers lie between 5 and 15? मैंने बताया था लास्ट वीडियोज में इसका आंसर. इनफाइनाइट नंबर्स लाई करता है किसी भी 2 नंबर्स के बीच. नेक्स्ट, try this. You have to solve question number 1, 2 and 3. You have to find 5 rational number, 3 rational number, 11 rational number. So how to find the rational number between 2 numbers? 5, 3, 11. कितना भी rational number find करना है तो first of all you have to find out the given numbers is like term or unlike term. अगर वो अनलाइक है तो उसको हम लोग पहले लाइक रेशनल नंबर में कन्वर्ट करेंगे और उसके बाद इक्विवेलेंट रेशनल नंबर फाइंड करने के बाद हम लोग फाइंड कर सकते हैं 3, 5, 11 कितना भी रेशनल नंबर फाइंड करना है. नेक्स्ट, यू हैव टू रीड अबाउट द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ होल नंबर एंड इंटीजर्स. नाउ यू हैव टू कंप्लीट दिस टेबल ऑल्सो. You can see here. Try this is given. Natural number, whole number, integer, rational number. तो properties of number system you know, closure property, commutative, associative and distributive property. तो ये सब लास्ट क्लास में भी हम लोगों ने आप लोगों ने पढ़ चुका है. तो यहाँ पे हमें बतलाना है कि it show the closure property over addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, yes or yes, no or no. Then you have to fill here in the blanks. In subtraction also it is not commutative. Commutative means 3 minus 2, but 2 minus 3. If you will find their value, both are not equal. So it is written here it is not commutative. So similarly you have to complete this table. For integer also it shows the commutative property or not. So for addition, subtraction, multiplication, division of the integers, so then you have to complete the table in your notebook or in your book. With the help of pencil also you can do. For rational number also class 8 में भी ये पढ़ चुके हो आप लोग. So then you have to complete the table. Here also complete the table. Try this. Page number is given 43. Natural number, whole number, integer, rational number, commutative under एडिशन, सब्ट्रैक्शन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन, डिवीजन. कम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी शो करता है या नहीं करता है? नेचुरल नंबर, होल नंबर, इंटीजर, रेशनल नंबर. फॉर एडिशन यस, सब्ट्रैक्शन नो, मल्टीप्लिकेशन यस, डिवीजन नो. Similarly you have to fill and complete the table in your book also with the help of pencil. Whole number similarly you have to complete. Next, try this, complete the table. Associative property under addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. You know the associative property? Associative property, it will be over three numbers. Suppose A, B, C are three rational number. For addition also you can write like this. A plus B plus C is equal to, also you can write A plus B plus C. This is called associative property. Similarly for subtraction, multiplication and division you have to complete and check it shows the associative property or not. Complete the table here. Now you can read here. Okay, this is a form of decimal number. Means you know that rational number can be changed into decimal form. So let's discuss about the types of decimal number. You know, irrational number can be changed into decimal number. So decimal number, there are two types of decimal number. First, terminating decimal. First, terminating decimal, and second, non-terminating. Non-terminating decimal. So next we will define the terminating decimal and non-terminating decimal. You can see here some rational number is given 7/4. You will divide 7/4. What will be your answer? 1.75 is quotient. Means the answer is terminated. Means terminating decimal means the decimal number which can be terminated. Okay, after the decimal is called terminating decimal. And non-terminating means it does not come to end. It does not terminate. It will come the value again and again. You can see here 7/6. You will divide 7/6. The answer is coming 1.16666. Here means 6 is repeating. And here, if you are dividing the 9/11, then answer is coming 818181 like this. So this is also non-terminating decimal. So terminating the numbers, the decimal number which comes to end is called terminating decimal, and non-terminating decimal which does not come to end is called non-terminating decimal. Terminating, it will be terminated in one language or non-terminating means it does not terminate. Clear? Terminating and non-terminating decimal. Okay. The other form of decimal is, in the non-terminating decimal is recurring decimal number. Yeah, repeating decimal number. So you can see here 0.818181 is recurring decimal number, means it is repeating. Okay, so this is non-terminating decimal. It is also known as recurring or repeating decimal number. It is clear? So you can see here 7/4 is terminating decimal, 9/11 is non-terminating decimal or recurring decimal, 7/16 is non-terminating or recurring decimal number. Why? Because there is the repetition of the number which comes after the first decimal place. For 9/11 answer is 0.8181. There is repetition of the digits after first 2 digit place of decimal. Clear? So similarly you have to try this also. Try this question is given, write two such rational number whose decimal form is non-terminating and recurring. You have to give any 2 examples. Second number, write two such rational numbers whose decimal form is terminating. So then student, you have to complete in your notebook. Example also you can see here, example number 1, example number 2. Here express 1.55. This is a non-terminating decimal or repeating after decimal. You have to write in the form of PYQ. Okay. So how to write in class 8 also you have already studied about the how to write the decimal number in the PYQ. If it is terminating, directly you can write, but it is non-terminating or repeating decimal number, then you have to assume the number. Okay, let PYQ equal to this, and then this process you have to complete. So then you have to try this question and complete in your notebook. Okay? Okay students, next we will discuss about the exercise 2.1 in next class. So first of all, try this all questions you have to complete in your notebook. Okay students, goodbye, have a nice day.